Hey everybody, my name is Shawns Chevy II. This is my 1962 Chevy II. We're going to be bringing this car up to Big 3 Performance today. I just put some new shocks on it, so I want to have them rescale the car, make sure that it's sitting the way that it should be. While it's up there, we'll probably go through the valves and give the car a good once-over and make sure it's safe to run down the track. That way when we get there, we don't have any surprises tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get this car loaded up and bring it up to Big 3 Performance.
We're happy to have Shawn come by today with his 62 Chevy II. I'm pretty excited to be a part of it. We're going to see what we can do to get him out on the track here.
You haven't had this car that long, have you? Less than a year?
Yeah, a little bit under a year. Got it with a couple buddies. We drove down to Illinois, went and picked it up actually, and brought it out to the track. You know, ran some pretty decent times, but
How many times did you get it out this year?
I've had it out, I think it was 2 times at the track, and I ran three passes each time.
What was your best pass?
Right now, I want to say the best pass was 940. There's a 941 at 143 miles an hour in the quarter.
What was your first pass?
My first pass, I want to say it was, that's a tough one. It was like a 10, it was in the 10s. It was like a 10-1 or 10-5 maybe. But yeah, it was...
Still pretty quick for your first time out in
Yeah.
your car.
Yeah, it was an experience. My second pass wasn't so good. Second pass, the rookie showed up in me for sure and ended up knocking the tires off, and I think it was like an 11-second pass. But we learned from those mistakes, right?
We want to really target safety overall, of course, traveling 150, 60 miles an hour. Old school build. Traditional big block, 540 cubic inch with the power glide. The car is equipped with a ladder bar at this point and coilover front suspension, coilovers in the rear. So he installed some new coilovers, so we want to validate where our scaling is, our driveline angles, our ladder bar angle, really get some data down so we can get a good starting point with this car. Car with Shawn in it had a total weight of 2592, which was pretty exciting. The more you get to know these cars, the more data you have with them, really allows you to make the right choices concerning conditions at the track. Exhibition racer, I mean, you want to feel comfortable in that seat, not thinking about what everything else is going on around you. So after the scaling, we definitely wanted to target some more peace of mind also. Shawn asked us to run the valves on the car, nut and bolt the whole car. That way, again, we have our starting point to really feel comfortable getting this thing out on the track. Yeah, I plugged my ears kind of like a little wussy, but I'm getting old. I feel great about sending Shawn out there and knowing he's going to be safe. I think this really built up his confidence too, just having some good overall, hey, let's get to know this thing. So it worked out well. made it really look easy. So did a great job. He's a great driver. We definitely trust him driving our stuff. So pretty awesome.